Teacher Aya Online Tutor. Hello children! Are you ready for another reading lesson? Let's start. Kim has a new ball. His new ball is red. Again. Kim has a new ball. His new ball is red. Your turn to read, children. Anna has a new toy. She likes her new toy. Again. Anna has a new toy. She likes her new toy. Your turn to read, children. I saw a yellow bus. It is a big bus. Again. I saw a yellow bus. It is a big bus. Your turn to read, children. Bella likes apples. The apples are sweet. Again. Bella likes apples. The apples are sweet. Your turn to read, children. Tommy likes to play soccer. He plays with Andy. Again. Tommy likes to play soccer. He plays with Andy. Your turn to read, children. I saw a bee. It is in the beehive. Again. I saw a bee. It is in the beehive. Your turn to read, children. I like to sing. I also like to dance. Again. I like to sing. I also like to dance. Your turn to read, children. I can draw and paint. I want to be an artist. Again. I can draw and paint. I want to be an artist. Your turn to read, children. I see a rainbow. The rainbow is beautiful. Again. I see a rainbow. The rainbow is beautiful. Your turn to read, children. I have a friend. Her name is Elsa. Again. I have a friend. Her name is Elsa. Your turn to read, children. I have a brother. His name is Nathan. Again. I have a brother. His name is Nathan. Your turn to read, children. I like to read books. It makes me happy. Again. I like to read books. It makes me happy. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read the sentences together. Are you ready? Let's start. Kim has a new ball. His new ball is red. Anna has a new toy. She likes her new toy. I saw a yellow bus. It is a big bus. Bella likes apples. The apples are sweet. Tommy likes to play soccer. He plays with Andy. I saw a bee. It is in the beehive. I like to sing. I also like to dance. I can draw and paint. I want to be an artist. I see a rainbow. The rainbow is beautiful. I have a friend. Her name is Elsa. I have a brother. His name is Nathan. I like to read books. It makes me happy. Great job, children! Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lesson. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you on our next lesson.